My name is Kiahren and I'm studying Level 2 Animal Care. I chose to go into animal care as I hope to one day bring farming back into my family as it's long died out. When I came to the open event at Coleg Gwent, I really thought that the facilities here were outstanding and better than anything else that I've seen. The facilities that we have at the course is the main farm, which is over 600 acres in size, the equestrian centre and the animal care unit. On this course, we do a variety of tasks helping around the farm and managing the estate, such as driving tractors and using machinery, as well as fencing and forestry work. My favourite part of the course is when I get to drive the tractors and feed the animals. Today, what we have done is we have came out on practical, read all the SOPs and safety advice, and we are now fencing. We're putting up this fence to create a new horse paddock for the equestrian centre so they can have more horses in a free-range area. My long-term goals and career plan after college is to work as a general farm worker and progressively work my way up to eventually owning my own farm. I would recommend that farm animal care course as it's helped me improve my knowledge in the agricultural sector.